what I'm saying.
Będziemy tak jeździć do dalej. To sprawę, nie? Jest Nawrocka tam. Staniemy tam.
Tak, jest i czym?
3, 2, 1, ogień. No. Mhm.
Okay, seats for departure, please.
seatbelt signs until the captain has switched them off for you. However, for your own comfort and safety, we do like to recommend keeping your seatbelt loosely fastened whilst you're seated. For your convenience, you'll find a reading light, a fresh air vent and a cool bell in the panel just above your head. And toilets on the aircraft, we have one at the front and two at the rear. Passengers travelling with babies, if you need to use the baby change facility, this is located at the back of the aircraft. In the next few moments, we will be passing through the cabin with our in-flight bar service. This will give you the chance to purchase drink and snack items, hot food and fresh food. All product and pricing information is found in the back of the in-flight travel guide, which we have previously distributed to you. In the back of the travel guide, you'll also find a selection of gift items, including perfume, aftershave, cosmetic and jewellery items. And don't forget, these items are all tax-free in price, so you should be able to grab yourself a bargain whilst on the flight this morning. We do kindly ask if you're purchasing from the bar today and you do have the correct change. This is much appreciated by the onboard cabin crew. We do accept all coin in both pound and euro. Doesn't matter how small the coin, we do accept it on board. For now though, I do invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight to Zadar this morning.